Welcome everyone. Thank you for being here. Here is a very healthy and delicious fruit salad. I used a different kind of dressing for this delicious fruit salad. Let me show you how I made this. Make sure to wash all the fruit before you start cutting them. I used about 20 red cherries, 2 pears and 1 apple. Cut the apple into small pieces with the skin on but without the seeds. You also need 1 lemon. Now add some lemon juice to prevent it from being discolored. Cut the cherries into halves and then take off the seeds. Cut the pears into smaller pieces without the skin and the seeds. Add some lemon juice to the pears too. You need about 2 teaspoons of lemon zest, 2 teaspoons honey or maple syrup, 1/4 cup coconut cream or thick coconut milk, and 3 teaspoons fresh lemon juice. Now add the lemon zest into the coconut milk, also the lemon juice and also the honey. First mix all together with a spoon. Then whisk it with the spoon for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the cut up pears into a bowl, also the cut up cherries and the cut up apples. Add the coconut milk dressing into the fruit. You also need some sunflower seeds or poppy seeds. Also add the sunflower seeds or the poppy seeds. Mix everything very well. Finally, I added some dried sweet cranberries. You can add some raisins instead. So here is my very healthy and yummy fruit salad with coconut milk dressing. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hoping to see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.